Well, more young people who have never been in trouble before are committing crimes and in some instances carrying guns.
That's right. The juvenile court administrator expressed deep concern about that today, and she spoke with WLWT News 5's John London about what she's seeing in a WLWT News 5 investigation.
Juvenile Judge Carrie Bloom reflecting on the past year.
I saw more first-time kids than ever before in my career.
Why is that?
I don't know.
She calls those newcomers to 2020 the Juvenile Court Youth Center the 0 to 100 kids. She says the ones who post video of themselves spilling milk or jumping on beds at the Anderson Town Center would likely fall into that category.
Most of the offenses and kids who come through here have a connection to social media.
There's not a lot of first-time fights in the schoolyard coming through here or first-time shoplifting at a convenience store. What they're seeing instead, first time physically harming someone, stealing a car, or carrying a gun.
Now we're seeing straight-A students carry a gun to school, leave it outside, come out after school, pick it up, and walk home with it because they're scared.
Judge Bloom tells me it's important to understand how kids think, the danger they feel to snitch on someone. Most of the 0 to 100 first-timers that end up in this courtroom are boys, 15 or 16, disproportionately black or brown. Every
parent always reacts with he or she knows not to carry a gun. My family doesn't carry guns. We don't have guns in our house on those 0 to 100 kids. There's a lot of tears. Should hands that help create artwork in the lobby feel a need for carrying a gun? What are we doing about it? How are we helping them feel more safe?
We're told some minors are under the mistaken notion that Ohio's open carry law applies to them too. It doesn't. John London, WLWT News 5.
Well, there are just under 20,000 juvenile cases a year in Hamilton County, and although the number of juvenile homicides has dropped, cases involving firearms have increased in recent years.